The California Science Center is one step closer to opening one of 3 new galleries at the Samuel Oschin Air and Space Center here in Los Angeles. For Elevate SoCal, I'm Chris Ian Garlington.
We're here today because we're providing a preview of the first aircraft installed in our Korean Air Aviation Gallery at the new Samuel Oschin Air and Space Center.
The object you see behind me, which is 747, is one of the flagship exhibits. And of course, this signature aircraft is rapidly going out of production. So we're very delighted to have one and being able to interpret it in an educational sense.
We still have a lot of work to do, a lot of aircraft to go in, but it gives people a feel for what's to come.
It's really a way to let folks get close to things that most folks normally can't. I mean, when do you get to walk this close to a 747 unless you're like working at LAX on the tarmac? So I'm so excited.
There's only one place in the world you'll be able to see a space shuttle in the launch configuration. It's going to be a crown jewel.
The 747 is going to be right over here. Space Gallery on 3 levels. We're making good progress, and we are still actively raising funds to complete the campaign. We're not done yet.
Right now is a critical time to support the project because we really are so close to the finish line.
We started this in 2012, and it's really happening.
The opportunity to see students come into a place like this, that's the inspiring part.
This whole area will be full with aircraft. I see a vision coming to reality, something better than any of our dreams. I can't wait to share it with the world.